Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, June 24th, 2015. A much cooler, drier air mass is on the way for the northern mid-Atlantic after some very impressive severe thunderstorms, especially over southern New Jersey and also over Connecticut. New York City, you got some activity. You even got some hail in portions of New York City itself. But luckily, you missed out on the worst because southern New Jersey just got slammed with strong wind gusts, wind damage, power outages, down trees, hail, frequent lightning. It was just a mess down there, basically from Burlington and Ocean counties on south through Cape May County. Just an absolute mess throughout southern New Jersey and even southeastern Pennsylvania. In fact, portions of southern New Jersey, right around Camden, even picked up a tornado signature. I haven't actually found any actual tornado damage yet, but I'm sure they'll investigate that. But it certainly was a very active evening as promised. But now we start to reap the awards, which is basically drier conditions, lower humidity. How about a dew point around 53 rather than 70? And temperatures pretty much where they should be for this time of year in the mid 80s. So let's dive into this forecast. So we have winds shifting to the northwest. Look for a steady decline in our humidity as we move on through the day with that cold front exiting the region. And our temperatures rising into around the lower to mid 80s along the immediate coast and mid 80s over the Delaware River Valley. On our infrared satellite picture, you can see that cold front is exiting the region, and thus our drier air is starting to build in. We still have these waves of low pressure along this cold front, and these waves of low pressure are going to be a major player starting tomorrow night on through Friday morning and possibly into Friday afternoon as this cold front starts to stall out. Now, the latest model guidance is starting to come out from 06Z, which is kind of an intermediate model guidance suite, is suggesting the rainfall is going to be entering the region by tomorrow evening. Not buying it just yet based on what I'm seeing on the radar. Let's take a look at that radar. You can see it's rather, well, scattered and a bit disorganized here as far as any potential rainfall here. But we're going to watch this area right here over Iowa that should shift into the Ohio River Valley and see how that develops over the next several hours. Because basically the idea here, from not only tomorrow night but on through this entire weekend and into early next week, is that this frontal boundary will stay stalled to our south and waves of low pressure will travel along this stationary front basically to the south of New Jersey and through the New Jersey coastal waters, leading to periods of showers throughout the region. And some of these showers and areas of rainfall will be heavy at times, so it's certainly something to keep an eye on. It's more like a fall and winter-like pattern than what you would see in the summer. So it's pretty interesting to see this evolve over time as we see this stationary front set up and the battle between the polar and subtropical jet streams actually start to work together to produce these waves of low pressure and the potential for periods of rain in our forecast. And of course, that's going to lead to much cooler temperatures than what we've been seeing, well below normal temperatures in some cases as we move into this weekend. So let's dive into the latest model guidance. We have the European model guidance, the Penn State EWAL website. And again, for today, high pressure generally taking control. Look for clearing skies and clear skies by this afternoon. High temperatures in the lower to mid 80s along the coast, mid 80s in the Philadelphia metropolitan area, with humidity falling rapidly like a rock and dew points in the lower 50s by this afternoon. It is going to feel refreshingly comfortable out there. Very nice weather conditions for any outdoor activities. For tomorrow, again, we're going to watch that wave of low pressure develop. The rainfall could come in tomorrow evening and tomorrow night, holding off on that until later in the night into Friday morning. So we'll see how that evolves. We could be shifting this forecast a little bit faster by the time this afternoon rolls around. But basically, most of the day tomorrow will be dry with temperatures in the lower to mid 60s for lows, high temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast, and lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Friday, periods of showers, heavy at times. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 60s for lows. Could be a 70-degree temperature mixed in there in the Philadelphia metro itself. High temperatures upper 70s to lower 80s throughout the entire Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area with periods of rain tapering off in the afternoon. On Saturday, another wave of low pressure with a little bit more enhanced polar jet stream is going to be pushing towards the region with periods of rain, especially by Saturday afternoon. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 60s, high temperatures in the lower to mid 70s. We should be in the lower to mid 80s this time of year. So it's going to be a very cool raw day on Saturday, especially in the afternoon and evening hours, with periods of rain expected. And that's going to continue on into Sunday morning, tapering off into scattered showers by the afternoon. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, high temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s, a bit warmer because we're going to see a little bit more sunshine by the afternoon hours. On Monday, rinse and repeat, another wave of low pressure will be approaching. This time more scattered showers, though, not a complete washout. Look for lower to mid 60s for lows and upper 70s to lower 80s for highs, again, below normal for this time of year. And on Tuesday, high pressure briefly takes hold before another cold front approaches the region. Look for widely scattered showers in the evening on Tuesday. Otherwise, scattered cloud cover and dry conditions through the afternoon. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, high temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast, and lower to mid 80s over the Delaware River Valley. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Thank you for following NY and JPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.